One of Florida's finest glamping destinations is just 40 minutes south of Lakeland. The family-owned and operated Peace River Oaks lives up to its name. Tucked away in the small town of Bowling Green in Hardee County, it sits along the Peace River, and the property is full of beautiful towering oak trees. The riverside glamping tents often book up fast, and once you see them, you'll understand why. There are two types of tents. The Haven has a king bed that's perfect for a romantic getaway, and there's a second type of tent called the Lodge that sleeps up to 5, making it great for families. Each one includes magnetic netting on the porch, and one of my favorite things is that they have real doors instead of zippers, which helps keep the air conditioning or heat, depending on the time of year, inside the tent. Amenities include a microwave, fridge, coffee maker, Brio water cooler, free Wi-Fi, and even a smart TV. And outside, you'll have a gas grill, picnic table, and fire pit. You can also add a hot tub to your stay, which doubles as a pool during the summer months. All tents are assigned a luxury private bathroom that's just steps away. The key to your tent is also the key to your bathroom. And yes, the bathroom has air conditioning as well. While it's tempting to hang around your riverside tent all day, there's plenty to do on the grounds of Peace River Oaks, with new experiences being added all the time. You can play lawn games, the kids can check out the natural playground, and for even more adventure, you can rent an ATV and explore miles of scenic off-road trails. You can also canoe the Peace River and then take the shuttle back upstream, or even get in the Peace River to hunt for shark teeth and fossils. And if you visit on a weekend, the property really comes alive with hay rides, live music, movies under the stars, and catered barbecue. In my opinion, Peace River Oaks is one of the most unexpected and luxurious outdoor getaways in Central Florida. Check the caption for more details, and if you love discovering unique places like this around the Sunshine State, hit subscribe to find inspiration for your next getaway.